Hazards radio KJY 93 in Aussie. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for northeastern Shelby, northern Rush, eastern Hancock, and southern Henry counties until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm miles northeast
and provide a chance
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 6:45 p.m. Central, which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer poses an immediate threat to life or property. However, small hail is still possible with this thunderstorm. This is Oil Hazards Radio KJY 93 in Aussie. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Shelby, northern Rush, Hancock, and southern Henry counties will expire at 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer poses an immediate threat to life or property. However, small hail is still possible with this thunderstorm. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Muncie area. Tonight, partly cloudy, a 30% chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Southwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Tuesday, windy, partly cloudy in the morning then clearing. Highs in the lower 80s. Southwest winds 15 to 30.
Yeah, where are you located right now anyway? So again, where you said you were, but you don't want to answer back to that. Oh, okay. Alright, got you going to Dublin. Alright. Well, like I said, you got to get on the input here at my TCH. I'm just a little west of Dublin there, about 3 or 4 miles. Come on, let me finish. Okay, so be careful on your way home, 7:03, and on your watch it.
Somebody's calling. Who is it?
Already yelled at Alex about them, and you turn around and go too. So maybe it's plenty eyes. Those people who are pissed off now.
So, what now?
Not get off the phone.
And weather radio, that's what it's called. Just said that the severe thunderstorm has weakened below severe limits, but hail is still possible. But it expires in 4 minutes, and at that time I think I'm going to stop recording until the next cell comes, if it even comes. I mean, no, I'm still recording right now. Talking to you. Hold on, I'm not